Have you experienced a situation when you're thinking about a problem and you're not able to think clearly? You reach to a point where you feel mentally exhausted and experience brain fog. Sounds familiar? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to share with you 8 great tips which will help you think clearly. Many of my clients have used these tips and I also practice them regularly. Stay tuned throughout the video, and at the end of the video, I am going to share one bonus tip which will give you great results. My first tip is sleep well on the night when you experience a brain fog. Now you will say, if you are tensed with a problem, how you can sleep well? But it's very easy. What you have to do is close your eyes before sleeping and say this statement to your subconscious mind. I'm going to sleep well today so that I can focus better tomorrow morning on the same problem. This will enable me to refresh my mind and body. Say this 8 to 10 times and sleep. Next day, you will be able to find better solutions for the same problem or the decision that you are trying to make. Sleep for 6 to 8 hours. You may get less number of hours during the day if you have a nice sleep, but you can be more productive. If you are taking up a task which takes 2 hours for you when you have not slept well the earlier night, the same task you can do within 1 or 1.5 hours. My next tip is depersonalize the situation. Do it as someone else. Just think that if the same problem is given to your boss, how he will solve it. Or any person whom you look up to, if they work on the same problem, how they will solve it. When you do this in this fashion, you will get very creative solutions and you will get a different perspective about the same problem. When you experience congestion in your thoughts, go for a walk, especially in nature, or do exercise. When you exercise, you clear off your mind and you feel more energetic. Take a break and listen to your favorite music. This will relax your mind and you will be able to focus on the solution once again. Meditate at least 5 minutes a day. Nowadays, people are finding it very difficult to sit with themselves. When you meditate, it will help you to gather your scattered thoughts, and it also has immense health benefits. Stay tuned throughout the video. At the end, I am going to share the most important tip. So my next tip is take break after every 45 minutes. A break can be for just 5 minutes. It will refresh your mind as well as body posture. And here comes the bonus tip. Leave that problem for some time. Yes, leave it to your subconscious mind. What you have to do is, before sleeping, close your eyes and instruct your subconscious mind. You may say something like this: I've thought enough on this problem but not able to find a solution. Please work on the same and give me the best solution. I'll leave it up to you. Say this around 8 to 10 times and then sleep. Do this for next few days and you will get best solution. Your subconscious mind will tell you the solution. During these days, stop thinking about a problem. I'll explain this with an example. Many times we meet few people and we don't remember their names. So we keep on thinking throughout the day, what is the name of the person whom I met? But we don't remember. And we just give it. We leave that thought. And in next few days, suddenly when you are working on something, you recollect the name of the person. Now why this happens? Because you have let that thing to your subconscious mind. And it keeps on working at the background. And it comes out with a name. Hope you have liked the tips. Write in the comment box below which tip you are going to use when you experience brain fog. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get free tips on your way. If you would like to do one-to-one sessions with me or train your staff on soft skills and life skills, get in touch with me via email address mentioned in the below description box.